My name is Lian. And then my mom is still cleaning the bowl. We're gonna make a pancake. I'm scared to my mommy to pop the egg to my head. I will just wait for her.
What are you going to do? We're gonna make what?
A pancake. First, prepare a bowl and a pancake powder, cheese,
It's a butter. Show it again.
butter, sugar, water,
Clear water.
clear water, oil.
Yeah.
This is a syrup.
Yeah. A maple syrup.
And this is a salt
It's a Himalayan salt.
and the milk.
Milk. And the last.
Egg.
First, we're going to
Put powder pancake.
It's already open. Mama and you cook already a pancake.
Can I put on? Slowly, guys. If you're still a baby and you're helping your mommy to cook, it's slowly. If you're still a baby.
And then,
Egg.
come on. Ready, come. Beat up egg now. Ayan. Open it.
Uy.
Lagyan mo na. Pag wala ng tumtol, lagyan mo.
It goes to my hand.
And then,
Salt.
salt. Pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt. Wow. Yeah. Can you mix it?
Not yet.
How is that possible?
What is this? Sugar.
Sugar. Can you mix it? Why do you put it here?
It's fun. And what is this?
Oil.
Oil. We're using olive oil spoon. Tantay na lang ng mami.
Oh, I like the smell. Can you mix it?
Sure, you can mix it.
Yay. I love mixing. Look at that. It looks like a part.
What is this?
Milk.
No.
Yay. Thank you. Oh, it's too many. It's like what happened here? It looks smells so good.
You can also make a chocolate pancake.
Yeah.
Instead of using this marshmallow, you can use the chocolate.
I want that.
No, we're going to put marshmallow on it. Can you have it?
Sure. I'll just put much because I'm hard to mix.
Just wait until all the ingredients mix.
My mom is staring the food and then my mom is giving this to my face. I think my mom is gonna punch me.
Make me happy. Make me happy.
I'm getting good. Oh, what? In my face?
Please. Okay.
It's good already.
Look at the consistency. Instead of water. I'm going to press it. You need to be gentle while cooking.
Why is slippery?
Sometimes food is a love language. If the food is delicious, happy yung nagluluto.
Oh, the cooker is happy.
Yeah.
Oh,
If it tastes bad, sometimes yung nagluluto may problem o di kaya hindi siya happy.
she's not happy because Someone tell her cook is bad food. It's not good. And then the cooker is worried and then sad.
Yes.
Who's that?
Diba? Okay na siya. Ikukok na siya ni Mami.
How about the water?
We're not going to put a water because we already put a milk. Very good.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah, I'll say bye.
Bye. My mom is gonna cook it.
For today's video is Saturday at gagawa tayo ng pancake. This is request by Ate Lian. Kumuha ako ng maliit na pan and sinindihan ko lang yung kalan in medium heat lang para hindi masunog yung butter at the same time hindi rin masunog yung lulutuin nating mixture. Yan, nilagay ko na yung butter, hininaan ko na yung apoy in medium heat lang para at the same time nilagay ko na rin yung mismong mixture na magpo-form ng pancake. Ayan siya. And iintayin ko lang siyang maluto. Indication ko para baligtarin yung mismong pancake kapag yung ibabaw niya is medyo nagbabubble-bubble na. And then sa Ate Lian, good morning niya yung kapatid niya. Love na love niya yung kapatid niya. Ako naman, niligpitin ko na yung pinaghigaan namin. Dito pala kami sa baba natutulog. As you can see naman yung bahay namin, up and down. Yun nga lang, hindi pa gawa yung stairs. And hindi pa naman talaga totally gawa yung mismong bahay, kaya wala pa kaming mga gamit. And kaya kami sa baba natutulog kasi last time sa isang market, nag-pass out ako. And hindi naman natin masasabi kung kailan mangyayari yung isang aksidente. So, ang iniiwasan lang natin na baka bigla akong mag-pass out sa mismong stairs. And sobrang salan ko kasi magbuntis ngayon. And today pala is 22 weeks na akong pregnant. So, happy 6 months sa aking second baby. Ayan, binalikan ko yung pancake para baligtarin. Ayan, perfect yung pagkakabaligtad natin, perfect yung pagkakaluto natin. And niligpit ko na yung mismong higaan namin. And ilalatag na lang siya kapag hihiga na lang ulit. Tumawag din pala si Papa para mangumusta. Nasa Tarlac kasi siya nag-work. Stay in si Papa doon. And sinabi ko nagpa-vlog ako. Yan, naglagay ulit ako ng butter. And then, nagsalang ulit ako ng panibagong mixture na gagawin nating pancake. Pasensya na rin sa itsura ni Buntis. And papakita ko pala sa inyo kung ano itsura niya. Ayun sinasabi ko nagbabubble-bubble muna siya bago ko baligtarin yung mismong pancake. Ayan, nagpapatali si Ate Lian ng buhok. Kaunting lambingan muna. Sobrang sweet kasi ni Ate Lian. So, yung pagod mo is mapapawi niya. Ayan, konting lambing. Nagkukwento siya. Bumubulong-bulong siya sa akin. And then yan, sayo-sayo siya, kumakanta-kanta siya, and tinignan ko muna yung pancake kung pwede ko na siyang hanguin para magsalang ulit ng panibagong lulutuin. Ayan, pagkatali ko kay Ate Lian, tinignan ko ulit yung pancake, hinango ko na siya, nagsalang ulit ako ng butter and panibagong mixture. And ayan, nakita niyo sa Ate Lian, kumakanta-kanta pa sa likod ko, sumasayaw-sayaw din siya. Pagkatapos ko nga magsalang, tinapos ko na rin yung kabilang buhok ni Ate Lian, tinalian ko na rin siya, and nag-uusap kami, nagkukwento siya sa akin, naman nangyari sa kanya tuwing nasa work si Mami. Tas ayan, sobrang sweet, diba? Puro kiss. And yan, hinango ko na nga yung sinalang kong pancake para makapagluto ulit ng panibago. At since may mga una nang naluto, hinaiyanan ko na sila, nilagyan ko na ng pancake sa plato.
Hi guys, we're gonna put first syrup and my chocolate milk. Oh,
Chocolate milk. Did it help? It's not yet open.
Hinayaan ko sa Ate Lian na lagyan ng syrup yung sarili niyang pancake and lalagyan niya rin niya ng Nips chocolate. Pero yung Nips chocolate naman is hindi niya naman talaga yan kinakain kasama yung pancake. Parang ginagawa niya lang yan as decoration para maging colorful. And yung kinagandahan naman dito, nung nalipat kami sa Bulacan, sa Ate Lian, ang lakas niya ng kumain, maya't maya siya nang hingi ng pagkain at the same time, nakakailang sandok na rin siya ng kanin. Pero sa buhay nanay, hindi pa rin naman talaga natin may iwasan yung ibang tao, pupunahin, bakit ang payat ng anak mo, kahit ang dami-dami niya na pong kainin, hindi pa rin po siya talaga tumataba. Pero yung timbang niya po, bumibigat na po yung anak ko. Hinango ko na rin yung mga pancake na huli ng naluto para makakain din kami ni Mama, and naisip kong timplahan na rin si Mama ng kape. Yung gamit kong kutsara dyan is teaspoon, so 1.5 lang na gatas, asukal, at yung sa kape din. Teaspoon lang yung gamit namin para hindi susobra sa takal. And ayan, sa tubig naman, si mama mahilig siya magkape ng mainit. Ako kasi hindi ako nagkakape ng mainit. And kakain na rin si Buntis ng pancake. Ayan, hinay-hinay lang tayo sa paglalagay ng syrup kasi bawal si Buntis sa matamis. At ayan lang po yung aking buong umaga tuwing Sabado. And happy Saturday po sa lahat!